This is how you open the hood. All right. Latch is gonna be right here. You need the kickstand. All right. It's not like those other hoods. Okay, you're gonna come over here. This is the brake fluid reservoir. We're gonna remove the cap. If you need to refill or top it off, you need that 3. It says right there, all right? That's the type of a fluid. That 3, brake fluid, all right? All right, guys, let's get into this. This is an EPB, all right? Electronic parking brake. Don't worry about it, because I'm gonna show you how to do it without the scanner, scan tool, computer, whatever you want to call it. I got you, bro. All right. We're gonna pop this guy first. I use this. This is for bore hoses, or you can use a flat screwdriver, whatever. I just pop like that. You know what I'm saying? Try to work smart all the time. You know what I'm saying? Outsmart the machine. Yeah. Now over here we have these boots. Oh, someone remove it. Here it is. This is the bottom. To lose it, okay? Here and here. It doesn't matter the order. If you want to do this first, the sliders, disconnect the EPB, squeeze it here, pulse. Here, all right. Do the sliders. That's one. Second one over here. Good. Brother Camper. Oh, it's a lot of fun when you work with one hand. Caliper come off. All right. There it is. Our guy. EPB. Subaru. All right, I'm gonna put it there on the side. Let's take the brake pads. Yeah. So it's right there. It's right there. Okay. It's time. Unchain. Let's check the other one. Just like that. All right. This is the clip. It's gonna let you know when you need to replace the brake pads. Okay. This is like